I'm gonna go set my drink down so I go to the bathroom real quick.
Why you gonna set it down?
I don't want to bring my drink in the bathroom.
I'm saying I can just hold it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna say, go right there.
Okay.
Why acting like we don't got no man with us?
My fault. Hold my glasses too.
Yeah, go. I'll hold the glasses. I'm gonna hold a drink. Yeah, take the glasses. I just need them. If you ever have a man with you and he not doing all the things that Ogo doing, what type of man is you really having around you? Period. If you got a man with you and you just with a bunch of girls and you got one man with you, the man's supposed to do man things, like hold stuff for the women. Make sure they feel comfortable and safe. Cause I don't play like that. Cause one thing about my daddy, I don't touch a bag around my daddy. I don't touch a bag around my daddy or Ogo. Period. I don't play like that. Don't let these boy clothes fool you.